Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Damna Life. This is your first time here. Welcome, if you're a returning subscriber. I love you so much. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can lay your frontal in less than 5 minutes. No stress, no story, no waste of time. If that interests you, do us a like, comment, and subscribe. Okay guys, so I started off with laying my edges and just putting it in place so that it can lay flat before I put on the wig. That's what I'm trying to do with using an edge control here and a brush, just to make sure that my hair is well laid down. So next I'm using this got2b spray to spray my hair so that it holds the wig down once I lay it on it. So I'm just going to be spraying that across it in layers. You can see the way I'm doing it. So next I'm going to be laying my wig, and I'm just going to be making sure that it is laid properly. I don't want it to be too forward or too dragged down behind, so I'm just going to be adjusting the hair side just like so, making sure that everything is well placed before applying my glue. So next I'm going to be applying my glue directly on the line of the frontal, just so that it stays glued all day. So I'm using this same got2b spray. I don't use the usual glue that people use, because this is just like a fast installation, just to spray it down. This also works, so why not? So before the glue gets dried, you want to ensure that the frontal is on a straight line so that you don't have a very rough finish. So after then, you just want to lay down your edges like I'm doing. I'm using an edge control and a brush. I'm not really good at laying edges. It's so difficult, but I'm just trying to follow the line of the baby hair. And this wig, I've used it before, so I've literally cut the net, and the baby hair came like this with the wig. So I'm just trying to lay that down like you can see. So now I'm done with my makeup and I'm just going to be removing this band. Oops. You can see how laid down the hair is. Oops. So I'm just going to be putting a bit of my foundation on my hairline. Just so that I don't have that different colors going on. So you don't want to waste so much time laying your frontal anymore. This is my go-to plug anytime, any day. It gets the work done. It gets the job done, so why not? So you can also put a bit of powder so that everything blends in nicely. Looking at it now, it seems I've added so much foundation. So I'll just correct that. Yes, guys. So guys, I hope you've been able to learn 1 or 2 things on how you can quickly install your frontal without wasting so much time. You can see so gorgeous, so beautiful, so brilliant. I'm feeling myself, guys. I'm feeling myself. So do also like, comment, and subscribe, guys. See you guys later.